In this video, I'll show you how to see your Google Meet call history. Before we start, there's one important thing to know. In Google Meet, call history can mean two different things. For the newer Google Meet calling experience, Google says, call history is saved to your Google account and synced across your devices. But for regular Google Meet meetings, there is usually no simple full personal history page showing every meeting you attended with dates, times, and duration the way many people expect. For those, details are often tied to calendar events, attendance reports, or admin tools instead. If you're using the newer Google Meet calling experience, open the Google Meet app and look for your recent calls. Google says Meet call history is centrally saved on Google servers and synced across all devices logged into the same account. And you can find, delete, and export Meet calls from that history. That means if you made a direct Meet call to a contact, that history is the easiest place to start. If you're trying to see the history of scheduled Google Meet meetings, the most practical place to check is Google Calendar. Open Google Calendar and look for past events that had a Google Meet link attached. Those events can show the meeting title, date, time, and invited guests. This is usually the easiest way for regular users to review past scheduled Meet sessions they organized or were invited to. That is an inference based on Google's attendance tracking and calendar-based Meet workflow. Now, if you hosted the meeting and your Google Workspace edition supports it, Google says you may be able to use attendance tracking. In supported cases, attendance tracking is enabled from the calendar event under conference settings, and after the meeting, you can review attendance information. This is useful if your goal is not just to remember the meeting, but also to see who joined. For work or school accounts, there is another important point: Google Meet. Community guidance says individual users usually cannot see a full admin-style meeting history for every meeting they joined. More detailed logs are typically available to a Google Workspace administrator through admin tools, audit logs, or the Meet Quality tool, not as a normal user feature inside Meet. So the basic idea is simple. Check the Meet app for recent direct Meet calls, check Google Calendar for past scheduled Meet events, use attendance reports if you hosted the meeting and your account supports them, and contact your workspace admin if you need detailed meeting logs. That's how to see Google Meet call history. Hope the tutorial was helpful, subscribe to my channel, and see you in the next video.